be my best idea ever to cut up an onion inside of my car on the bed that I'm gonna sleep on tonight. But I really want to use up this onion, so let's do it. By the way, this was not a planned meal at all. These are just some of the ingredients that I happen to have on hand. I have some rice that's already pre-cooked. And then I will just add a little bit of soy sauce and black pepper and call that dinner. I don't know if it's just because I'm starving, but it's the weirdest, most delicious meal that I've ever had.